Tim Isaacs, I'm the principal of Central Hardin High School. We got 2 open houses going tonight, basically 1 campus though. Phase 2 is where we go from construction, new construction to renovation. All right, and the reason we moved out is they took what, if you've been around Hardin County, you'd know what we refer to as the freshman building. It was the newest building on that campus currently, which was built in '94. That's the first building being renovated, so they're into that. And to allow them to move into that and take it over completely, separate the construction crews from the students, which is a safety factor, we gave them all that. It's theirs. They're going to work on that in the band and ag area this year, and that way they can have it and they move on. Because of the construction today and some of the things still being completed, so that on day 1 your kids are able to move, and we're occupying some of the new building. We're still waiting for a few things like the brand new cafeteria and kitchen to be completely done. So as we're giving them as much space to let those construction crews finish up as much as possible for day 1, all the open house tonight's going on in the big gym, and you'll see that on the video following here. Got all our teachers that are teaching on the main campus in there, just simply to facilitate working together with a construction crew, because we are moving from phase 1 to phase 2, like we said, and it's actually 2 different companies. A new company is coming in to take over phase 2. So it's been an interesting summer, I'll tell you what. But the bottom line is, I say, this is going to be a beautiful campus that's going to reflect the staff and students we've always had at Central Hardin, and anything worth having usually comes with a little bit of pain and discomfort.